Behind me is what I think the Tomaso Pantera should have looked like from the factory. This is a complete custom wide-body Pantera. Both the front and rear of this car has been updated with this wide-body kit. Now it's completely molded in, so it looks OE. And personally, from my standpoint, I think it makes the car look even more iconic to the 70s and makes it stand out as more of a supercar for its time. It's powered by a V8 engine, and you'll see here it's got a gated manual 5-speed, and it's pretty mint inside, though they haven't done a ton of upgrades, so it gives it that iconic Pantera interior, and you can look through the rear window here and see that V8 engine. Something I think is super noticeable is the V shape in the wing here, and from the back the car is so wide. I really think this is how the car should have looked from factory. Something I think is particularly notable from the driver's seat is that you've got the split dashboard. So right here you have that compartment in the middle, and then you have all of your gauges that you need here on the side, so you can access everything like your fuel pressure, water tanks, amps, everything like that, oil pressure, very race car. And of course these very Pantera appropriate wheels that have been spaced out to accommodate the wide body that make it look very flush, great fitment. After seeing the Pantera with the wide body kit so well done, it's really hard to enjoy just a regular Pantera, so let me know in the comment section down below if you prefer it the way it came from factory or with this wide body kit.